are some of the ways you can first recognize what is a desirable behavior and then to reinforce that desirable behavior. Here, everyone, they complete the work, they feel the top of the world, and they feel so happy, right? So now, yes, these are the behaviors. Now, can you tell me, out of these techniques, what are the most common techniques you all follow in your class? What positive behaviors do you regularly observe? Like, not behaviors, what techniques to reinforce? अभी हमने कुछ techniques देखी, हमने verbal praise देखा, हमने celebration देखा, हमने home notes देखे, right? So can you all tell me which is the most common? See, no technique is right or wrong, right? But please tell me which is the most utilized, you can say most used technique in your class. And I would like to hear responses from everyone. Only 3 responses. We have 52 participants. I'm sure आप सब ये use करते होंगे अपने classes में. Okay, I can see verbal praise is the most common so far. लेकिन I only have 5 responses. I would like to see more responses. Smiley and stars, great. Yes, please post the most common technique or the most common strategy of positive reinforcement that you use in your class. Handshake or hug for their encouragement, okay, verbal praise and celebrations, verbal praise. I think verbal praise is winning, right? Stars in their notebook, which means home notes, right? Clapping in front, again a physical gesture that you are using. By giving smileys, Sonam is saying by giving smiley stars on their hand. Great. So I think celebrations, Tazeen is saying here we do the celebrations also. Maybe celebrations like extra playtime, maybe celebration like clapping for each other, verbal praise, stickers, tokens, extra playtime. Good job. Yes. I would like to have more responses, please. What are the most common positive reinforcement strategies or techniques? I'm 100% sure you all are using these techniques in your classroom. Yes, because the rest of the appreciation, yes. Verbal praise, yes, that's what I'm saying. Verbal praise, I think, is the most common that I have been observing in the chat box. Yes, so these are just some little techniques or, things that we do for positively reinforcing the desirable behaviors in our class, right? We do little dance also to encourage them. Yes, I've seen these dance, I've seen these rhymes. I always speak in their favor, okay, and encourage them for the next. Great job, right? So now this completes our second objective of today's session, which is recognizing and reinforcing the desirable behaviors, right? Now, the third agenda is to create a supporting learning environment for positive behavior, right? So now, shall we pause for a 10-minute break and then come back? Do not exit the session, please. You can just put yourself on mute and it's 3:29. Shall we join back at 3:39? Let's start joining back by 3:39. It's a 10-minute break for all of you. Go have water, please drink water, use washrooms, and then come back with more energy because we have a lot still to learn, right, about this. We have to learn how we create these supporting learning environments. So this is the 10-minute break time. Please come back by 3:39 so that we can start. See you all. I'm here. I'll be sharing my video for now, but I'm here.
Suppose 20 kg, you can incorporate that also.
If you want, we can do. मतलब उसमें वेट का ना कितना ग्रेविटी कितना है उस हिसाब से इसके लिए यू कैन क्रिएट, क्योंकि हमने अभी तक क्रिएट नहीं किया है, बट यस गुड आइडिया, यू कैन क्रिएट इसको हम कर सकते हैं।
ऑलवेज आई लुक फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म प्रिपरेशन एंड जितना भी स्कूल रहेगा उतना दिन हमारी कोलैबोरेशन।
यस यस
आइडियाज तो बहुत सारे हैं बट
सो अगर आप हाँ वो तो मैंने देखा यस यस
आई डू बिलीव and they're very supportive.
यस यस
If you tell them, they will not say no. They will take some time to understand, but they will not say no. So these are the kind of basics. So
आज तो काम किया काफ़ी कुछ, कल हम
बाहर भेज दिया
अभी कल अच्छे से हम लोग 9 o'clock से
आपको भी कैसे चाहिए फिर आप
एक्चुअली 5 मिनट्स भी सोया नहीं, कल 4 घंटे फ्लाइट लेट हो
आप
गई थी।
जल्दी छोड़ेंगे आपको
नहीं कल एक्चुअली 4 घंटे फ्लाइट लेट हो गई थी, मतलब मैं 11 बजे पहुँचने वाला था, मैं 4 बजे पहुँचा। 4 बजे पहुँचने के बाद कैब करके यहाँ पे आया 8 बजे, तो 5 मिनट में 8 मिनट तो थोड़ा सा मुझे
Now you are
बस इसलिए
he
मुझे
is telling that same thing he does to himself. Okay, I'm really blessed.
बिल्कुल यहाँ भी काफ़ी
तो मेरी 2 पीरियड्स बोलती हूँ तो
पीयूष से भी मुलाकात हुई।
so comes from admin में and difference from academic में। तो स्कूल जो चल रहा है स्कूल से लेके 2000 सोशल में नहीं आता है
पुराने कंप्लीट
मतलब कोई भी मुझे मतलब देखना नहीं पड़ता है पीछे मुड़ के कि अच्छा स्कूल में क्या होता है
बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है आप
वो किस्मत वाले को ऐसा नहीं
ये तो अच्छी है आपकी, यहाँ पे मैंने सब फीचर्स भी अच्छे हैं, इंटरेस्टेड भी है, मतलब सारी चीज़ सीखने के लिए। शुरुआत में कैसा हुआ यस यस शुरुआत में थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन हुआ, मुझे ऐसा लगा, मुझे भी लगा मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट चला गया, क्योंकि शुरुआत में मैंने आधी में से कर दिया, आधी में क्या होता है ये क्या होता है, फिर मैंने वो किया। कल जब प्रोजेक्ट खुद करेंगे तब समझेगा कि क्या था।
तो पेरेंट्स के सामने हमारी बाहर हर महीने
ये जो हम जॉब कर रहे हैं ना अभी, ये वो जबरदस्ती अपने शरीर के साथ जबरदस्ती करते हैं, समझ ना। 30% हो गया फोन है तो पैसे वाला तो निकाल लेंगे तुम तो नहीं करेंगे वही लगे रहिए से लेके चले अब यार we are back from the break. I request all of you to please come back. I would request again to please be on muted. If possible, for a minute, let's turn on our cameras so that we see each other and get energized, and then we will continue with the rest of the session. So yes, we have completed with 2 objectives of the session. The first was, please mute So the first was to understand the foundation of the positive reinforcement and behavior management that we did. And we also talked about recognizing and reinforcing the behaviors and the positive behaviors, right? So before reinforcing, it's very, very important that we recognize them. And then we learn about different strategies that we have to recognize them, right? So I request all of you to please turn on your cameras for a minute, and then we will begin with the rest of the session. So we still have 2 more agendas to complete and objectives to meet in the session. So the third we were talking about is to create a supporting learning environment for positive behavior, right? So now, can anyone of you tell me what do you understand? In fact, all of you can tell me what do you understand by a supporting learning environment? So this is again a very reflective exercise. Imagine you as a child, right? Go back to your school days. What as a child for you is a supporting learning environment? क्या लगता है आपको उस learning environment में क्या क्या होगा that you as a child feel safe and you feel that learning environment is supportive? So please post your responses in the chat box. The chat box is open for all of you. So what do you think as a child? If you were a child, you go back, reflect your school days. So as a child, what means as supportive learning environment to you? What is a supportive learning? Okay, Neelam is saying that the classroom that has teaching learning materials make her feel supported and make her feel maybe safe. Wow, that's a brilliant thing to mention. That's an amazing point to raise. Emotional safety, right? We as humans, we as kids, we as adults, no matter what, if we don't feel emotionally safe in an environment, that environment can never support our learning, right? Okay. Emotional safety matters. Anything else? TLM and a good teacher makes you feel supported. Supportive teacher, supportive parents, emotional and physical support. A supporting learning environment is setting academic sector जिसमें आप grow कर सकते हो, जिसमें आपकी emotional well-being हो, is what you mean. Neelam is saying peers. Peers in a learning environment matter for Neelam. That's brilliant. TLM, teacher should be supportive towards parents and kids too. The teacher should be available, emotional and physical availability होनी चाहिए. Brilliant. Buddy, right? We have a buddy system that peers feel supported. Empathetic environment, that's again a very beautiful point to mention, that creating an empathetic environment is the key to create a supportive learning environment, right? Flexible seating, flipped learning, right? So now, these are some of the needs, I would say, needs to feel that I am in a supportive environment. I am in an environment that supports my learning, right? I feel safe here, right? These are some needs. Now, to create such environment and to foster the positive behavior of kids, as a classroom, we have some techniques to manage that classroom, right? For an example, talking about clear routines. हमने routines की पहले भी बात की थी, हमने ground rules की पहले भी बात की थी, right? कि आपका एक clear classroom routine होना चाहिए, because the children, the age of children we deal with, the foundational stage or the early years, they are packets of energy, right? They come with loads of energy. They are packets and bundles of energy. Now, as a facilitator, as a teacher, our job is to channelize that energy in a right way, in a right direction, right? So now, creating a supportive learning environment can also begin with that they don't go haywire as they enter class कि क्या करना, उनको कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, फिर उनकी एनर्जी चैनलाइज नहीं हो पा रही है. They don't know what to do as they enter the classroom. उनको पता ही नहीं है कि बैठना कहाँ है, बैग कहाँ रखना है, बॉटल कहाँ रखनी है, खुद को कहाँ रखना है, right? So it is very important to have your clear classroom routines. That's the key, right? So for these kids, you establish a predictable classroom routine. कि क्लासरूम में एंटर करते हैं, दिस इज देयर स्पेस, दिस इज द maybe the space they keep their bag, this is the space they keep their water bottle, this is where their books are, this is where their chair are, right? So this is like a clear routine, this is like a set expectation and a predictable classroom routine for them, right? How many of you agree to this point? Can you please post a thumbs up? I'm 100% sure बहुत सारे लोग आप में से ये कर भी रहे होंगे, right? This must be established. So having a clear routine as they enter the classroom, as they leave a classroom, establish a very predictable routine and an environment where kids feel belong, right? They don't go home and their energy feels channelized, right? So now we are after a break. I want energy from you all also, right? So for an example, अभी मैंने आपको ये सेशन चालू होने से पहले, मतलब बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द सेशन, मैंने आपको बताया कि हमारे ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है, तो वो द एंड ऑफ द सेशन हम एक असेसमेंट करेंगे, हमें फीडबैक करेंगे. नाउ यू नो योर रूटीन, right? Now the expectations, you know, I have set it for you, right? So you know it's predictable for you कि अब क्या होगा, right? So you don't go haywire, you can channelize your energy in the right direction. It's similar to that with the kids, right? Now consistent expectation. You as a teacher have to communicate them about what is expected out of them. If you are taking them to a playground, what is expected from them? As I was giving you an example कि जब आप उनको teaching learning material दे रहे हैं या फिर कुछ भी दे रहे हैं, they should know what is expected from them. उनको करना क्या है? They should not be clueless, because if they grow clueless, their energy will be scattered, and that can create a problem in managing their behavior. उनका खुद का self regulation भी down हो सकता है. And you as a teacher, it can be chaotic for you to manage their behavior, right? So you should set very consistent expectation about themselves, how they have to regulate themselves, expectation about how they interact with one another, right? What are the peer interactions, right? The expectation how they handle their classroom, right? स्पेशली फाउंडेशनल स्टेज के क्लासरूम्स में आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोग वॉल पे लगाते हैं, राइट? दैट्स अ ब्रिलियंट टेक्निक, दैट्स अ ब्रिलियंट प्रैक्टिस, राइट? नाउ अ चाइल्ड शुड नो दैट व्हाट आर माय डूज एंड डोंट्स अराउंड these TLMs that are, ये मेरा क्लास है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट बिलोंगिंगनेस, उनको क्लियर एक्सपेक्टेशंस होने चाहिए, कंसिस्टेंट एक्सपेक्टेशंस होनी चाहिए, देयर शुड बी क्लियर रूटीन्स दैट शुड बी सेट, राइट? एंड यू एज अ टीचर, you as a facilitator must communicate these expectations so that they manage their behavior. How many of you agree to this? That setting a clear routine and consistent expectation can help in managing your classroom better, managing the behavior of kids better. Try to create that kind of, so that child feels free, child teacher, right? So do you all agree that the first two techniques, which are the clear routine and the consistent expectation, you tell them that this is what is expected out of their behavior and this is what is not expected out of their behavior, right? Now the third is my favorite, my own favorite, which is visual cue and reinforcement, right? I'll give you a very simple example to relate to. हम यहाँ पर we are right now, how many people? We are 60 people in this room, right? अगर मैं आप लोगों को बोलूँ कि when I lift my left hand, right? You all have to turn your video. But I will not say it now. ये मेरा set हो गया है. जब भी आप देखोगे कि मेरा left hand is lifted, the cue is you have to turn your audio. Let's try this. Okay?
चार्ज पे लगाओ दोनों, ये एक लगाओ दूसरी टैबलेट.
This is the left hand. So now this is the visual cue that I am giving to all of you, that as soon as I raise my left hand, your videos are turned on, right? I don't have to say much. I just have to raise my hand, right? So now, let me see. I'm not going to speak and I'm going to be like this for 1 minute and see if you are getting this cue. in a moment, right? This is a verbal cue that we have for our tongue, right? So if you observe that the instance हो रहा है या फिर कुछ
ये
भी हो
दोनों
रहा
मेरे
है,
कान पे ही बजेंगे सर।
the behaviors are going on, and you see a lot
दोनों
of
कान पे ही बजेंगे।
class what we used to do is we were just used to tap 2 times, and that used to be the verbal cue for all of the students that now they have to be silent within 5 seconds. Right? So that's how we set the verbal cue and visual cues. And when they do this, we reinforce them. कि अगर उन्होंने ये किया है, so you reinforce them. You end up with a thumbs up. Acknowledged their behavior, right? So now use visuals to remind students of their behavior expectations, right? Now this saves your energy. You keep saying
अभी पूरा भी डेकोरेशन का
no shouting,
अभी
please
कुछ
remain
चीज़ें
silent,
मिसिंग
be on your feet, classes, nothing.
अभी सब
You
खाली
give
है।
them a visual cue that if I'm just giving you an example, you can is how to complete your one hour. So we have 5 minutes for that activity. When you are seeing that there's a class, then you want to do an attempt also. And as I said, I'm going to post at least one wonder question. आप एक ही मैसेज में पोस्ट करिए कि कंप्लीट नहीं है, ठीक है, हम ये देख रहे हैं कि नर्सरी क्लास में प्लीज पोस्ट व्हाट इज योर इम्पोर्टेंट। जब आप
मेरा चार्ज थैंक यू मैम। नहीं ये सही से कटेगा ये सही है हमने दे दिया आप जैसे भी होगा हम बताएंगे सब लोग यही करें ओके इसलिए तो साड़ी पहनना पड़ेगा दीदी वाली से पहनेंगे
I give you 2 minutes to think to wonder, but please post your response in the chat box. So if 3:59 maybe I can expect responses to come in maybe another 2 minutes. This is the discussion time. Evening hours. If any of you would like to contribute yourself, please do. We have seen single model. It's another technique also where you see it's like a thinking process. So आपने देखा अंजलि से कि बहुत wonderful लगा ये अंजलि पहले आपको बता सकती हूँ इस कमेंट में what you want and what is your wonder question. Now she is wondering who wants to go for hand wash. Shivani has said, Shivani, okay, it's okay if you want to answer, please go forward. All our questions are suitable responses to that. If you want to answer your share, please go forward. Just raise your hand and then you can unmute yourself. So Shivani is saying, almost what I have just come to the middle of it. And you are supposed to complete the right. So what Shivani is wondering is, how do teachers incorporate visual in students? Students with special needs, equal potential. How do teachers on the board relate to curriculum and learning objectives? That's great, right? So that's how we wonder. These are all the questions that are coming to our mind. Ankita is saying, first what will come in my mind is how creative the exam is. And one of the questions is how teacher has used these beautiful ways to teach the kids. Great job. They are saying how one question is how I can make it more creative for my class to represent what is of washing hands. practices, these kind of techniques, these kind of reinforcement of positive behaviors can really help in managing our challenges better. Can I get a thumbs up from all of you? Give you up. Can you all, can I see a thumbs up on all of you? You can put a reaction symbol on your screen so that I can see thumbs up on your face button. Just click on reaction and you'll be able to click on thumbs up. Yes, I can see a lot of responses in the chat box as well, right? That these simple techniques, these simple symbols can really help you build a creative learning, safe learning, supportive environment for your kids, right? And it's not rocket science, technology is a very, very simple technique, right? Great everyone.
मेरी डायरी दो.
Okay, I'm amazed to see all of your responses once again. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being part of the session and interacting so beautifully, right? It doesn't start successful without your interaction, your insight and education. Without you sharing what class you have. So forward of class, right? Now, so now, let's talk about how we must remember this was the fourth agenda. So the third was how we can create a safe, supportive learning environment in classroom for kids, right? Now comes how, what are we taking appropriate behavior management techniques, right? This is the fourth one, right? How to kind of make good instruction situations like this. So, basic exercise actually is correct of it, but exercise is not easily there. It is there to be safe, but exercise is not easily there. Believe me, looking at basic instructions, these cards, these drawings, is going to reinforce behavior in that child. Okay, and there can be multiple techniques that you can use, right? Appraisal, slowly selling at point. These are very, very essential activities to incorporate these strategies in your classroom. You can use these strategies accordingly to build meaning into your classroom, right? तो जैसे बताया क्या बोलते हैं proactive strategy, like proactive means preventive measures. तो अगर मैं बोलूँ कि preventive measures, what comes to your mind? क्या है? Anyone? What do we mean by preventive measures? So, many of you haven't self seen them. What do we mean by preventive measures? So now there is one proactive person. Good job. Very nice. So proactive क्या preventive measures का हमारे एक मतलब है proactive strategy. तो क्या क्या बोलते हैं prevention is better than cure, right? So the second goes hand in hand. So setting clear rules to prevent the misbehavior. आपने पहले ही rules, आपने पहले ही expectation को set किया है to prevent the misbehavior happening in the first place. So proactive और preventive measures का मतलब है to set your clear expectations and being in the class, right? So this is preventive. कि आपने पहले ही कुछ routine, कुछ classroom ground rules set किए. This is preventive. Now for example, setting a morning ground rule, right? Setting a morning rule that helps to guide children when they come, what they need to do, when they come, where they need to go. The preventive measures that you are taking for a better health management. The second is your reactive strategy. Reactive strategy comes when it's after the event has happened. So for example, this is an event, right? So if this is an event, imagine this is an event. पहले जो आप strategy ले रहे हैं, उसको बोला जाता है proactive, preventive strategy. आपने ground rule set कर लिए, आपने expectation set कर दी. बच्चे को पता है कि वो मॉर्निंग में अगर क्लास में आ रहा है उसको क्या करना है, क्यों करना है, कहाँ करना है, right? Now this is the event that has happened. For example, कुछ something happened, some misbehavior happened. Now reactive strategy is something that you do after that. So reactive strategy means addressing that misbehavior when it occurs. Now back to कितना भी बनाना है कि गलत what reactive strategy is. Are we all clear with proactive versus reactive strategy? Proactive means before that, right? Reactive means after the event. Right? So these are बच्चे ने कुछ disruptive किया क्लास में, तो आप उस बच्चे को पहले बताएंगे कि disruptive है, ठीक है? फिर उनको redirect करेंगे how this has okay, only we have 2 responses in the chat box. Yes, then we can, because this is all part of the expectation and setting the rules. Now come to the second, this is not very directly. This is like simple technique to guide children. That's what is right, why it is right. So redirecting the child to a more appropriate action and helping them to understand what is expected out of them, right? Behavior है, इस बच्चे का मान लीजिए behavior है. अब आप उस behavior को सही दिशा में कैसे redirect करते हैं, उसकी energy कैसे सही दिशा में channelize करते हैं. This is another also known if you have children to use it with your children. So using the story and the examples to tell what is acceptable behavior for the children. How many of you agree to this? That the storytelling या फिर ये हो गया हमारा storytelling जहाँ पर आप stories बता रहे हैं, जहाँ पर आप examples quote कर रहे हैं to teach the acceptable behavior, right? The second is modeling. Modeling मतलब आप खुद कर रहे हो because children imitate, children learn from us, right? And especially teachers and educators of young learners at such early childhood maybe they look up to, right? The foundational stage especially look up to, right? So now if you model that behavior, if you talk in your class in a very polite tone, if you maintain your charming composure in the situation where the child is misbehaving, you also learn to do that, right? That's called modeling of behavior. So proactive versus reactive strategies, redirecting the aim for the third is storytelling and modeling using magic words. हाँ, अगर आप use करते हैं while you are communicating with the children, there is a high chance that when your children communicate back to you or जो आपस में जब interact करते हैं, they will use these words. But now the stake is on you that you will have to model those behaviors themselves, right? If your children see that you wash your hands before sitting in the shower or before having your snack or before having your lunch, right? So there's a high chance that they will also display this behavior. So telling them to close the tap after using water, if they find tap open, they should close it. Yeah, as simple as that, right? Now storytelling can play a role here. I will tell you, there was a time when to tell them what water is and the importance of water, I became the lake. Okay, so I was the lake and I was telling the lake as a story, as a lake. मैं एक lake हूँ और मैं आपको अपनी story बता रही हूँ. तो वहाँ पर हम वो story telling करते हैं कि प्रदूषण हो गई है and कुछ words होते हैं तो उसको बहुत जल्दी से understand the importance of their positive behavior, right? So this stage के according हम ये use करते हैं proactive versus reactive strategy, where you set the ground rules, where you set the expectations, redirecting the behavior. अगर कुछ misbehavior हुआ है तो redirect those behaviors to the correct behavior. And third is to tell them stories, to tell them examples, and to model themselves the acceptable behavior. Are we good with this? So this is very important. That's the technique that can really help in behavior management in your classroom, especially when you deal with foundational skills. So now, what we will do is again do the lecture. Almost what we have for positive for better classroom management. So now I would like all of you to do this reflective exercise. Take 5 minutes. Go back to the students. You all remember, right? There were 4 objectives of this session. So 3 things that you have learned today, similar to what we did in the previous session. 2 things that you would like to implement in the classroom, and 1 question that you still have. Let's do this, everyone. Maybe I'll give you
अभी फाइनल मत सोचो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
It's 4:18. Let's finish this exercise in maybe another 3 minutes. 3 things that you learned today. 2 things that you would like to implement in your classroom from whatever we have learned. And 1 question that you still have. If any of you want to unmute, please do.
नहीं पिंक वाली साड़ी कह रहे हैं पिंक वाली शो कर रही है साड़ी.
So in the chat box, there is also no more unmute. Right? 3 things that we have learned today. 2 things that you would like to implement, and 1 question you still have.
साड़ी मतलब कपड़ा भी दोनों सेम है.
यही तो लिखी गई और इसमें लिखी गई लाल कलर का।
अब ये रेड वाला सिर्फ हमें मिल रहा है, पिंक वाला हम लोग को मिल रहा है।
Okay,
उन
let's
लोग
read
को अभी
the
ऐसी
response.
साड़ी दी है।
I learned this. I have learned how to
साड़ी तो रहेगी ना प्रोग्राम को
साड़ी आप रखे रहेंगे, ठीक है। सैटरडे साड़ी पहनना और फंक्शन वगैरह होंगे
ये तो रखे नहीं। ये जो मैम कह रही है ना फ्री रहने वाले का वो मुझे भी ठीक लग रही है। लेकिन उसमें भी तरीके से
Now,
कॉटन भी कपड़ा अंदर बना दिया जाए
implement these
तब वो
techniques and
कोई
these
दिक्कत नहीं
skills
होता।
better in our classes, right? So it's a humble advice to all of you to share even one technique,
इसमें जो
even
ये ड्रेस
2-3
रहता है
steps,
पूरा
anything that you would like to implement
सब
in your
Monday to
class.
Friday करना है, इसका नहीं अच्छा है,
जो
इसका
भी
ना
हमने
बहुत
technique
डिसेंट
पढ़ी,
कलर
जो
है।
भी हमने छोटी-छोटी चीजें
मानना ये था कि मेरे पास ये एक ही
ये मतलब ये भी रहता तो ये भी Monday to Friday
सही बता रही हूँ
Saturday साड़ी पहननी है।
अच्छा लग रहा है।
यही वाला पूजा में बता रहे कि एक मैसेज डाल दीजिएगा सारी गलत सबको चली गई है, साड़ी के लिए अलग है और सही आप
ये भी अच्छी लगी
whatever technique that you have learned,
ऐसे सिलवाए
हम लोग को पहनना है।
any one technique you would like to share with me, that you would like to
तो ये बताइए सबका इतना डिसेंट कलर है, हम लोग रेड रोज में आके बैठ गए।
come back on the school. Okay, so then you want to apply
इसका पहले ही हमने डिसाइड किया था।
Actually interchange हो गया. Definitely.
हाँ ये इंटरचेंज बाद में किसी ने किया, हम लोगों ने नहीं किया, हम लोगों ने पिंक डिसाइड किया था। आपकी कोई गलती नहीं है, आपको जो बोला जाएगा आप वही और करोगे।
एक्चुअली इन लोग का इंटरचेंज हो गया है, जो ये लोग प्री प्राइमरी डिसाइड हुआ था वो 1 to 7 चला गया है, और जो 1 to 7 डिसाइड हुआ था वो इन लोग का
मिला है ना वो मिला है
एक सूट एक साड़ी
एक स्टूडेंट साइड। हाँ सर ये लोग अपना वो चेंज कर दिए।
ऐसा सूट पहनना बहुत मुश्किल है मंडे टू फ्राइडे, और समर चलता है सितंबर तक। साड़ी डेली पहनना बहुत दिक्कत है बच्चों के साथ, वो भी इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चों के साथ साड़ी पहन के नहीं हो सकता।
पैंट शर्ट ऑफिशियल वाला जो दूसरा बनता है
उसमें बस एक ही लोग थे, सुधा मैम जो साड़ी में आती है,
कौन नहीं पहन
सुधा मैम ने पहनी।
उन्हीं को दिक्कत।
और डिसेंसी भी होनी चाहिए, बेकार भी नहीं होना चाहिए।
शादी खोल डाल देते हैं, लेकिन ये कपड़ा पहनने लायक नहीं है सर।
अरे वो भी अच्छा लगेगा तो उसको फंक्शन के लिए रखिए ना, प्रोग्राम वगैरह के लिए इन हाउस
तो
प्रोग्राम
पता चलेगा अगर आज बात नहीं उठाएंगे तो पता चलेगा कि डेली भी इसको पहनना है। मैं अपना ड्रेस यही रख देती हूँ, मुझे यही रख ली, अब मैं भी यही रख के जाऊँगी।
अभी डिसाइडेड है उसको पहनने अच्छा लगेगा, इतना नहीं खराब है।
सर एक्चुअली ना कपड़े का फैब्रिक का बस देगा, साड़ी के लिए
साड़ी ठीक है ना, भी रख लीजिए, कभी कभी सूट पहन लीजिए, एडिशनल बहुत महंगा भी नहीं है।
पहन सकते हो तो पहन लेना। अरे यार कहने में और पहनने में बहुत फर्क है।
तुमको क्या बोला जा रहा है? तुमको टाइम शर्ट पहनने के लिए बोला जा रहा है ना, तो वही सिलवा लो, तुम लोग वही पहन के आओ ना।
हाँ बहुत दे रही है
डिसाइडेड दिखाने के लिए यहाँ पे भी पेमेंट करें, वहाँ पे भी पेमेंट करें। पैंट शर्ट में भी किसके लिए यहाँ पे
अरे ये बहुत महंगा थोड़ी नहीं है।
अगर वहाँ पे नहीं खाएगा तो कोई सैलरी नहीं होता तो ऐसा कर लेंगे हम।
$500 का है
हिसाब से फीस समझ में अभी सर एक उस दिन डिसाइड हुआ था 600 की एक साड़ी है, 350% टीचर्स पेमेंट करेंगे, सूट है 600 साड़ी है। हाँ ये डिसाइड ही हो गया।
की बात आपने जो है, हम कह रहे हैं कि मल्टीपल भी अगर हमारे पास रहते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं कि किसी चीज़ का सॉल्यूशन नहीं है। आप ये रखिए, उसके अलावा जो सैटरडे का है सैटरडे का पहनिएगा, जो सूट है उसको एक दिन पहनिएगा, और एक एडिशनल ड्रेस आपके हिसाब से वैसे भी लोग कह रहे हैं सूट साड़ी दिक्कत करेगा। आप एक डिसाइड कर लीजिए पैंट शर्ट कंफर्टेबल और गुड लुकिंग डिसेंसी आनी चाहिए, बेकार नहीं करना चाहिए। वो चीज़ सोच के डिसाइड करें।
सर आप एक और पेमेंट चला दें।
तो
ये मत रिजेक्ट करिए, इसको तो एक्सेप्ट करिए, एक एडिशनल ड्रेस ले लीजिए, हमारा
ये मैं ये कहना नहीं चाहता है, तुम भी जानते नहीं कैंसिल हो
नहीं बात सर आप मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरे कैंसिल करने का मतलब ये है कि आप मुझे मेरा इसको मॉडल लगवाइए, अस्तर लगेगा, सिलाई लगेगी, फीस में इन्वेस्टमेंट ज़्यादा है कि नहीं?
और अस्तर लगाएंगे तो अस्तर लगना ठीक है, वो पता है उसका चार्ज थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है अस्तर वाले
फिर मैं कह रही हूँ सर
क्रॉस समय आगे चलेंगे, अच्छा कपड़ा बन जाएगा।
मेरे कहने का मतलब कि हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। फिर मैं फॉल्स सेवन जो वाला ऑर्डर वो तो बहुत अच्छे से पहन रहे हैं।
तो फिर समराइज
पहले भी सामने होगा
उसका फैब्रिक कहाँ बेटर है? अभी आपको बस स्कूल की
first time joined training. So I'm very, very grateful. I cannot be grateful
नहीं
enough.
वो भी बहुत जहाँ
All
मैंने
of
जाना
you,
देखिए बात करते जब
showed up here
खत्म हो
today.
जाता
So
तो हम
I'm
डायरेक्ट
so
समझ
glad
बात कर लेंगे अगर बात नहीं थी
आपको वही जाना चाहिए
beautiful to see each and every one of you here. We at Refugia understand the effort it takes to make the teaching learning process better. Right? So thank you everyone for your participation. Whatever we have done today, whatever we have discussed today, if you implement the smallest next term as you can create the smallest spark and can create a huge impact in your daily teaching learning style.
पूरी बात नहीं सुनी आज
Before I was
अरे बता दी चलो
I
ब्रॉड
put
में
the
रखते हैं
feedback
तो
form
लेकर
and
नहीं जाएंगे
assessment form. Let's turn on our heroes and let's have a group
अरे मैम इनको क्या दिक्कत है 10 कदम जाना है आपको जाना है
ये की तरफ में जाना है मेरे साथ ही रहेंगे वो
आज हो जाए
स्कूल नहीं ओपन करके
नहीं अपनी बात रखेंगे बात
Thank you so much.
सर आप समझते हो कोई कटिंग करा दी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोसेस है
कॉस्ट होता है ना
नहीं हमने अपनी बात तो रखी है
And so nice.
का समय आएगा बारी बारी देखिए दिमाग एक जगह नहीं रहेगा कभी इधर रह रहा है कभी इधर रह रहा है
That means a lot. I mean, I can't express enough what it means. So, let's have.
मिलेगा है ना मिलेगा है
Have. Are you all ready with your fine faces? Thank you so much, everyone. That means a lot.
टाइम कितना हो रहा है 5 बज गया ना 4:30
Okay, wait, I have.
क्या हुआ
क्या हुआ जज लग रही थी जज मतलब वकील ना
One, I would like to
Just
say
program
one
बनी हुई
more
थी।
to my phone.
सामने सब लोग खड़े थे देखिए
And after that, we will make
कोई बात नहीं कोई तो इसको अपडेट से अपडेट नहीं
that we can have a group photo. Okay, done. Thank you so much, everyone. So, this finally brings us towards the end of our today's training. But please be here and posting first time posting the assessment form for all of you. So please make sure, I have made sure it from my end, but I would request you to check the topic. It should be positive reinforcement and behavior management. Yes, so this is your assessment link. I'm posting it. We are at 4:35 here. Again, it will have a similar kind of form that you did in the morning. So I'm posting it here. Again, it has 5 MCQs. This is to reflect back, this is to reflect the training that we had today, and for us also to have a record. And this also marks you 10. So I'm sending the assessment.
अच्छा मगर
I'm putting
और गाड़ी घुमाएंगे तो कितना टाइम लगेगा
if any of you have any issues, thank you so much, Sneha. These words mean roses to us, to be honest.
क्या हुआ अच्छा ये वाली फोटो
देखिए हम आपको देखेंगे
मैं थोड़ी हूँ
वही लगा
देखना मंदिर में होगा ना उन्हीं का टाइम है
I've posted the assessment link. Let's take 10 minutes for assessment, everyone. And then I'll please send the feedback form.
खुद लेके आएंगे
ये स्कूल का कर रहे हैं, स्कूल का उधर खा सकते हैं।
हम लोग का वो एडमिन वाला रजिस्टर में नहीं लेना
आवाज चालू है सही है
वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
हेलो आवाज
नहीं बंद है।
बेचारे बहुत परेशान हैं, सुन नहीं रहे हैं।
Those who are done can post the thumbs up or done in the chat box. I'll be posting the feedback form that's there. Let's put that for the 437 right now. 440 or something, I'll post the assessment. Sorry, the feedback. I hope all of you are able to access the assessment link.
अरे मुझे लेना नहीं, मुझे दिन को मैं भेजी मुझे हाँ नहीं पेट्रोल मेरे साथ वही दिक्कत है, पता है मेरी स्कूटी ब्लिंक करती है।
You can answer the question. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ब्लिंक करती है।
आप एक बार और ट्राई करिए।
मेरे साथ कुछ तो मैं परसों नहीं भराई, कल ही मेरी स्कूटी
आपको कॉल करेंगे, स्कैनर सेंड करेंगे, आप
हाँ, it should be.
मेरे पास दूध नहीं है।
Good, yeah, good. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. हाँ, the same thing you have to follow that you did in the previous form. To open it,
अरे मेरे पास दूध नहीं है।
करके आप अपना फुल सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए. Same thing that you did.
वो नहीं मुझे गुस्सा आ गया, मुझे समझी हम कहीं ना अपनी स्कूटी लेके चल गए।
Full select
खत्म कर दिया मेरा पेट्रोल।
right, not this.
फिर मैं कभी कर
Then attempt on by question. Name of our school.
नहीं यार उनको क्या वो 200 रुपये वो ट्रांसफर किए हैं पेट्रोल का।
I'll be posting the feedback form that we have for this.
बोले
Thank you so much
Room
everyone
again.
who are posting and updating me that you are done with the assessment. I'm posting the feedback form now. So जिसका assessment हो गया है, then they get result. It's similar that you filled for the first section. It's the same feedback form. अच्छा अभी आप कौन सा वो करेंगे select कौन बता सकता है मुझे feedback form में your training session कौन सा session था ये
कौन सा मैं हमने क्या करना आपको मैंने 200 रुपये भेजा है
so you select so you select positive reinforcement and behavior management in young learners via form. Right, this is the form, this is the session that you select feedback form. I sent the feedback form, I'm sending it again. So now I'm sending the feedback form. Those who are done with the assessment form and feedback form.
अच्छा आपके ना कल बताया मेरे दोस्त बोला कि वहाँ बारिश हो रही है
Please make sure you select the session you have taken this time, which is the positive reinforcement and behavior Behavioral Management in Young Learners, Diya Bhatia, the time was 2 to 5, right? The date, please select the date correct. Those who are done with the feedback form, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. I could not be thankful enough for the kind of participation you all have shown, and I really look forward to see these techniques that we have taught in both the sessions, the multilingual session, the positive reinforcement session. I would request all of you that even each of you, apply this one technique in your classroom with the young learners. It can create a huge impact, right? So I would genuinely like to thank all of you for such participation, for maintaining the calm. I know it's not easy to sit 3 hours long for a session, but you all have done it, so it's wonderful. I would really like to appreciate the effort each and every one of you have shown. Thumbs up for that. So can I expect that all of you have completed the assessment form? Those who have completed both assessment and feedback form, you can take the leave from the session. Thank you so much for joining today. It was wonderful to meet all of you. Ma'am, thank you. Please make sure that you complete your assessment and feedback form. I'm here. If you have any doubts, I'm here to be. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much, each and every one of you who took out time and attended these sessions. Is assessment done for? Thank you, Navneet. Thank you everyone. Assessment form सबका हो गया है. Can I expect all of we have 50 participants here right now. All of you have done assessment. Thank you so much. So those who are done assessment, जिनके दोनों forms हो गए, you can take a leave. Thank you so much. I wish you a very beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much for your participation. I would really like to see you all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Please make sure you all fill the assessment form and the feedback form. अगर आप चाहें तो I can send the feedback form link again.
कितना बज गया अभी? मैं
क्या हुआ?
कितना टाइम हो रहा है? कितना टाइम हो रहा है? ए फीडबैक आ गया।
आज कोई कहे कि तो मैं बात करूँ बात कर।
यार ये केला किसका जल्दी बताओ। केला किसका है?
Thank you so much, children. That means a lot. I hope you have filled both the forms.
जल्दी करो, वो मैम थैंक यू कर रही
So
हैं।
those who have
हाँ चेक
those
ना।
who are done with both the forms can take a leave from the session. It was wonderful to see you.
चैट में।
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
अरे लिंक जल्दी से लो, लिंक कॉपी करो।
Once again, thank you so much, ma'am. It's Parul.
Thank you so much, Parvati. It was wonderful interacting with all of you. Thank you so much for sharing your classroom things. I know what it means to say those loud in front of the audience, but they were very insightful. So yeah, I'm again very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
ma'am. Have a nice day. Ma'am, you too.
बंद हो गया
ओए दीक्षा मैम,
हाँ
यू सर का फोन आया है।
I'm
Hello?
still here. If any of you have any
सर गलती से लग गया था,
issues
sorry.
in filling the feedback form, assessment form,
ठीक
I am more than happy to help.
है यार, वो बोला कहाँ है? तो हमारे सर को स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करना है ना, दे आर नोट ईमेलिंग इट। अरे यार नोट कैंपस लिखा नहीं रहा है। टाइप करो आ गया ठीक है। हाँ ये हो गया सर। इसमें क्या किया? नेम ऑफ द सेशन में क्या किया? हाँ पॉजिटिव रीइंफोर्समेंट टीचर। रुक जाओ, मैं भी चल रही। बस रुक जाओ।
भाई साहब 5 बजने वाले हैं,
किसको करें?
रिया भाटिया। वो दीक्षा मैम,
हाँ
फोन किया है था,
हाँ मुझे पता है।
चलो
Feedback
यही
form.
तो है रिया भाटिया यहाँ पे।
कितना है, किसका मैं ले आके दे दूँ?
इसमें 2 to 5 ना।
Anyone who is
हाँ
still left with assessment
फाउंडेशनल
and
ना।
feedback form?
फाउंडेशनल मेजर सब्जेक्ट टीच, ये कौन सा है? मेजर सब्जेक्ट में क्या किया?
Okay, so with this I take a
असेसमेंट भी नहीं था
leave
क्या?
from here. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session. I'm really grateful. I really hope to see all of you
लेकर जाना है,
again.
रोते
Thank you
बातें
so
करना
much.
खरीदना ही है। असेसमेंट खुल गया।
चलो
एक बस ये असेसमेंट 5 मिनट का है, रुक जाओ। इसमें क्या किया? ऑनलाइन किया ना पहले वाले में? ऑनलाइन ना। हाँ ऑनलाइन क्या? ये क्वेश्चन मांग रहा है। व्हाट इज
क्या सेशन क्या चाह रही है?
क्या है?
क्या टेक अवे ले रही हो? कॉपरेशन।
बस ये सही है ना? और ये देखो व्हाट चेंज विल बी सजेस्टेड ट्रेनिंग।
नथिंग। सेट
NRJSC 0 टॉपिक में क्या देंगे?
4685।
टॉपिक में क्या देंगे?
टॉपिक में कुछ नेक्स्ट में क्या मैंने डाला है वो टीचर इन आर्टिस्टिक बिहेवियर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज प्रोएक्टिव स्ट्रेटजी फॉर बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट।
सही है ना? देखो तो सबमिट कर दो ना। देखो
हाँ सही है, सबमिट करो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो। अकॉर्डिंग टू स्किन ऑपरेटिव कंडीशन रिवॉर्डिंग
हो गया। वो दूसरा वाला लिंक कौन सा है?
उसी में था गया।
हाँ वो सबमिट कर दिए तो हो गया।
हाँ तो खोलो फिर से मीटिंग।
अच्छा फिर से
मीटिंग
चला गया।
रिएक्टिव बिहेवियर। व्हाट इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ रिएक्टिव बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट। रुक जा, मैं भी शेयर कर दे रही हूँ लिंक। यहाँ से अभी इसी लिंक पे हूँ ना। व्हाट इज़ एन है ना?
हाँ
करो करो। व्हाट इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ रिएक्टिव बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी।
यही है ना?
हाँ हाँ यही हाँ हाँ ये
फिर से आ गया
वही वाला खोलिए फिर से।
नहीं
वही है दूसरा खोलो
वो
लिंक।
तो हो गया। अच्छा जल्दी
हो गया मेरा। अरे मेरा चार्जर कहाँ गया?
अच्छा मेरा चार्जर यही है।
तो तुम कर लो, मैं सर से लॉग आउट करा के आ रही हूँ। मैं करूँ क्या? इसमें से लॉग आउट करेंगे। मऊ इन्फो मऊ बहुत दिन से लॉग इन है।
कर दीजिए।
नहीं आता।
नहीं, सही में नहीं आता।
ये क्या चल रहा है?
इसको बंद कर दीजिए, मीटिंग खत्म हो